Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about what to do if you run into an obstacle while you're writing the first draft of your novel. By now, you've planned everything out. You have your character sketches, you have a scene-by-scene synopsis, and you are writing your story. Everything is going great, your story is flowing, and all of a sudden, you hit a stumbling block. This can take a variety of forms. You may have developed your character in such a way that they just wouldn't do whatever your plot is saying they're going to do. Or you may have stumbled upon a plot hole or an inconsistency. These things happen. It's important to remember that your plan is not set in stone. It's meant to be a guide, like a map. And sometimes you may have to take a detour. That's okay, you still get to where you want to be. The trouble is that just a week ago, I was telling you that when you start writing your first draft, you shouldn't stop to edit or change anything. You should just write. So what do you do if you hit an obstacle like this? Here's how I do it. If I have to choose between following a character or following the plot, I always follow the character. If you force your character in a direction that doesn't feel right, your audience will pick up on that right away. Whether it's because of character development or a plot hole or an inconsistency, if the right scene is immediately obvious to me, I just write it. If not, I make a note in my draft that this scene is to be completed later, and then I continue writing as if that scene was already complete. I do this for the sake of completing the first draft. During the first pass of editing, I fill in the gaps. If you write your first draft like this, you are less likely to get bogged down. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.